Alright guys, this 2018 Wrangler is our new key. I'm going to do this, I know I've already done one of these, but I'm going to do this one just a little bit differently. Ignition's on. Instead of going over behind the glove box, I don't even take the glove box down. What I've done here is, of course we can't do it through OBD, that's what it's telling us here. Use 12.8. Of course the last one we did the ADC 2011 over on the passenger side. This one, this is probably a trim level thing, because on some vehicles it's just not this easy, but obviously you can see my plugs are plugged in. I'm trying to get you a picture of that 12.8. Where is it? There it is. So wicked easy to unplug on this truck. The reason why I say trim level is like behind here, there's nothing there. You can just reach my hands up in there, unplug that plug. I would say quicker and easier than a taking the glove box out. So I'll probably start looking at those. Just taking a peek over here before I go running behind the glove box from now on. This is a smart key. Let's continue on. I'm going to turn the engine off. Ignition on. We'll do the status scan. Radio off. I think I mentioned engine is turned on, ignition is turned on in your stop. Yep, it is. That every once in a while I have weird issues with Autel on these. I thought it was a key problem where I would just go to program the key. It would seem like I'm in programming. It would tell me to put the key up against the button, top corner. I usually do that top corner, and it just fails. And one day I bought a brand new key because I thought it was a key issue, and even the brand new key failed. So I grabbed my Auto Pro pad and programmed on the first try. So maybe we'll recreate that, hopefully not. Hopefully this will just fly through and we'll be done. As usual, I'm going to clear these out and just take a quick peek at them. Maybe someday one of these will be a little bit of a clue. You know, if programming doesn't go right, I'm guessing that's why it's there. Very cool. We will read pin. Ignition off. Hazards on. I am connected. And I'll be right back. I was incredibly fast. I'm going to say 30 seconds tops. 26237. Let's see if I can remember that if I have to. Hopefully I don't. 26237. Add key. Start. Don't care. Remove all prox keys. This is where, I think I mentioned this before, the Auto Pro pad does things a little bit differently. It doesn't ask you to do that. I'm not sure if that's a factor here. Make sure ignition is off. It is. Everything else is out of the car. Current number of keys 3. Do I want to continue? Yes. 23237. That's right. That is right. Hold proximity key to be programmed up to the start stop button. Hold start stop button using the top corner. So we talked about this. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to watch that while I'm doing it. It told me to release, I think. This means it learned. Yeah, it did. So we won't see that that Autel thing today. I'm going to escape out of here. And keep in mind, hold keys outside the car. That's it. We're done. That's 2018 Wrangler done with the 12.8 instead of the ADC, using the Autel 508. Done deal.